Have you ever dreamed of selling Korean beauty, fashion, or lifestyle products to people all around the world without holding any inventory? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that using K-Dropshipping, a Shopify app that makes Korean product sourcing easier than ever. We'll explore how to find products, how pricing and shipping work, and even build a real example brand step by step. Korean products are trending globally, from skincare and cosmetics to K-pop merch, home goods, and tech accessories. Consumers love Korean quality, design, and style. But until now, dropshipping Korean products was really hard. Limited suppliers, high costs, and complicated shipping. That is where K-Dropshipping comes in. It connects your Shopify store directly to Gmarket, Korea's biggest shopping site with over 10 million products available for sourcing. While K-Dropshipping integrates with Gmarket for easy product access, those are retail prices. However, K-Dropshipping also operates its own Korea-based K-Beauty wholesale marketplace that offers dropshipper-friendly prices significantly lower than Gmarket's retail listings. And soon they're expanding beyond beauty, adding K-pop merchandise, lifestyle, and home products to make your store even more diverse. Let's talk about what makes this app a game changer. First, unlimited Gmarket access. You get access to all products from Gmarket, Korea's #1 shopping site, using the K-Dropshipping Chrome extension. That means instant sourcing for everything from K-beauty serums to K-pop collectibles and home gadgets. Then, unbeatable shipping rates. Shipping costs are 30 to 50% cheaper than major couriers like UPS or DHL. And for US customers, delivery takes just 6 to 10 days via the e-commerce express line. Next, we have the one-click integration feature. With one click, you can import products from Gmarket straight into your Shopify store. Images, descriptions, and prices all included. Now, let's build a sample Korean brand together that we will call Seoul Glow. It is a minimalist skincare and lifestyle brand focused on affordable K-beauty essentials. So using the K-Dropshipping app, I can start sourcing right now. You can source beauty and skincare, toners, sheet masks, essence serums, cleansing balms, and even fashion and accessories such as minimalist tote bags, jewelry, and trendy Korean socks. Then we have K-pop and lifestyle, fan merch, lighting sticks, stationery, and desk decor. Each of these items come straight from Korean suppliers that you can truly trust. They ensure authenticity and good product quality that your customers can also trust. Now let's see exactly how it works and how easy it is to get started. First off, go to the Shopify App Store and click the link below to install your app. Then you install the app and connect it to your store. Add the Gmarket Dropshipping Pro Chrome extension. You can find the link below as well. Now you can browse Gmarket. You find a product you love and click Import to Shopify. Within seconds, it is live in your Shopify admin, ready to edit, price, and publish. So in your dashboard, you can see the dashboard overview. You can use the Find Products button to find more products. You can start importing products into your Shopify store and easily edit it. And just like that, you've got your first Korean product ready to sell. Because K-Dropshipping provides direct access to Korean wholesale pricing, your profit margins can be much higher. So for an example, a $6 sheet mask set from K-Dropshipping's K-Beauty marketplace, the shipping might cost around $3. You can easily sell it on Shopify from $18 to $20, especially with attractive branding. That is the beauty of sourcing directly from Korea. Lower costs and higher margins. Now, once your products are listed, you can start promoting them on social media. You can create short videos showing product textures, packaging, or results. K-beauty fans love that type of content. You can use hashtags such as K-beauty, K-fashion, or K-pop merch to reach a global audience. As a pro tip, you can offer limited edition products to make your brand more authentic. And this is how easy it is to build a Korean dropshipping brand from scratch using K-Dropshipping. K-Dropshipping. You get millions of authentic Korean products. You also get lower wholesale prices through the K-Beauty marketplace, fast global shipping, and one-click Shopify integration. So if you're ready to start your own Korean brand, whether that is for K-beauty, K-pop merch, or even Korean fashion, make sure to click the link in the description to try K-Dropshipping today. If you've enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below, and make sure to check out K-Dropshipping by clicking the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!